this is the first of our product rule examples. And I think the first question you have to ask is, how do you know it's a product rule question? Well, it's because there are two expressions, or at least two factors in here that each include an x. Okay, we have x to the 7, and then we have sine of 2x. Okay, now remember, you can't split up sine and the argument that follows it. So if you have sine of 5x, you have to take that and consider it as one single unit, one single term. So when you see two x's, as in an x to the 7 and a sine of 2x, and they're not joined by either a plus or a minus, then you're going to be using the product rule. So that's basically it. When you see x appearing twice without a plus or a minus, it's product rule. And be on the lookout for that all the time. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to say that the first factor here, we'll call it u, and the other factor we'll call it v. So u will be x to the 7, v is sine of 2x. Now please don't try and split sine 2x up and make u sine and v 2x. That's not how this works. You cannot split sine, cosine, tan, etc. You can't split those up. Same as log. You can't take the word log as being something. It has no meaning without the argument that follows it. Differentiate each of these pieces, and you get du dx is 7x to the 6. Dv dx is going to be differentiate sine. You get cosine of whatever follows, so cosine of 2x, and then you have to differentiate the 2x. So you get 2. Then you do an x pattern, a cross pattern, like this. And you put the different pieces together because, dy dx, the little formula for it is u dv dx plus v du dx. Okay, so that's going to give you dy dx is equal to u x to the 7 by dv dx, which is cosine of 2x times 2, plus v, which is the sine of 2x, by du dx, which is 7x to the power of 6. Now, if you do have a common factor, it's common to take that out here. And the common factor in this case would be x to the power of 6. And if you remove that, usually you rewrite these with the trig part at the end and the constant part first. So this would be 2x cosine 2x plus 7. We've taken x to the 6 out already, so it's just 7 times the sine of 2x. Okay, and that's it. Technically, of course, you're done at this point. But if it's a multiple choice question, you're more likely to find it with a common factor removed. So be ready to do the factoring. Generally, just taking out a common term. Okay, that's that.